Hi, I am Aria from HeroBot. In this video, we're going to show you how to add agent or admin to your bot account in HeroBot. In this video, we're going to show you how to add agent or admin to your bot account in HeroBot. To start, head straight to Settings and click on the Admin tab, then click on Manage. Click on Add. You can select Super Admin Permissions if you want the admin to have full permission on your account. If you want the admin to manage a specific section of your account, select the appropriate permission. Personalize the permissions according to what you need. For instance, select the Manage Only Assigned Conversation permission if you want to limit your admin's authority and only want your admin to manage conversations. There you have it. You have just learned how to add an agent or admin to your HeroBot account. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next video.